Hey everybody, it's Richard Noto here. I am a Florida licensed realtor, home inspector, and notary. So right now I am over at Toll Brothers Lakeshore, and this is in Winter Garden. I'm going to show you this single story home called the Sebastian. And you can see right away that it's a two-car garage with a nice wide driveway as well. And you got two separate doors, so it's not like the typical single door that's just wide. But pretty much everything in a home over here in Lakeshore is upgraded. You can also see that the pavers are very different. They're much wider and the sizes are different as well. So it's definite upgrades over there. Okay, so let's have a look. And the ceilings are extremely high in here. And there's some nice width. So you got a full bathroom. And a hall closet. And over here's a bedroom. And you can also see that the home has tile throughout. It's amazing how spacious this home feels right away, just from how high the ceilings are. And there's a tray ceiling, and looks like the dining room and the living room. Let's see what we have here. So we got a two-car garage over here. And it looks to be about the standard size. It doesn't really look like it's too much larger in any way. Here's a whole closet. And then this is your laundry room, so you got a sink. Let's get a look at the dining room. So over here in the kitchen, the island is really large. Kind of narrow, but definitely a large island over here. You could probably sit at least 10 people around this thing. A nice rear. Very nice. So even though the property line probably ends around where that tree is with the orange tape around it, somewhere over there, or maybe where that stake is in between the trees, it just feels like there's so much more because it goes out all the way out back over here. Let's get a view of the rear of the house. Really nice tile roof on this thing. Now, if you are interested in this home, please contact me first before you head to the home builder. It's required from home builders pretty much everywhere to have your realtor enter the builder with you from the start. Or at the very least, contact the builder from the start. So keep that in mind. At that time, I will get you the latest inventory, pricing, and incentives, some of which you cannot get without me. So it's a good idea to contact me first. Now, home builders do pay for my service, which makes it free to you, and it's kind of a nice gift from every home builder to do that. But home builders will not reduce the price because they are not paying your realtor. So just keep that in mind as well. So if you choose not to use me as your realtor, then you kind of just miss out on all the great things that come with it, all the great benefits, and also the enhanced negotiation for the deals and savings, which is something that I really enjoy doing. So let's check out this bathroom. Looks like the master. I got a seat in here. So this comes with a large size shower head. And nice tile, really nice tile, I like it. There's your seat. Here's your toilet room. Nothing much going on in there. Let's get another view of this bedroom. Got a nice view out the rear too. Really nice. And just in case I didn't show it, there's a fan up there. So let's head off to the left over here. Got another fan. And we got a full bath attached to this bedroom. And here's another view of your kitchen. And also please do check out my website at wintergardennew.com where you can find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each page if the home is listed on the MLS. And here's the pantry. Very nice. Now the community over here is natural gas as well. And you can see it from your stovetop. Got your microwave and your oven. Really the only thing this home needs is some shades or some blinds and you're good. And a washer and dryer actually. And lastly, please don't forget to like, favorite, share, subscribe. Thank you again for watching and have a fantastic day.